excuse-moi, il y avait des bouchons sur la route, je te dis pas.
Et après, passer Porte de la Chapelle en plus, il y a eu un accident. Bon bref, je suis en retard, je suis vraiment désolée.
Oh my god, what do I say? I must look like an idiot. You want to seem confident in a similar situation, maybe on a date with a Frenchie? Let me give you a few sentences and scenario. Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassie, your French tutor, so you can discover France the French way. And now is the perfect time to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel already if you're really serious in understanding real spoken French. Alors t'es prêt? On y va. C'est vraiment sympa de te voir. Tu as passé une bonne journée? Okay, cool. That's a topic I know because, well, I watched a video about routine, right? So I know everything about it. And I've also asked a question, but the casual way. So, you know, you're just saying a normal sentence and then the intonation is going up at the end. I'm good with that. And last but not least, the day is almost done, so I've used passé composé. Now the conversation is on an easy topic, so let's continue. Bah, c'était vraiment fatigant. J'ai travaillé toute la journée. Et toi? J'ai passé une très bonne journée, vraiment agréable. Tu veux boire quelque chose? Perfect! I could reuse the terms of the question I asked a bit earlier. And, well, it's always a good idea to have a drink. Not too much, of course. Ah, super idée. Tu préfères le blanc ou le rouge? Okay, I know that when a French person is talking about red or white, they're most likely to talk about wine. And let's be honest, the context is helping here. So let's answer and continue the conversation. Je préfère le rouge, merci. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie? Nailed it! So I know that in French it is better when you ask for someone's occupation to leave it open. So like, what do you do in your life? No need to ask specifically for the job. It may sound quite harsh or at least not natural. And that's not what we want on a date. Ok, va pour du rouge alors. Va pour? Oh! Similar to let's go for. So I get it, we'll both have red wine. Je suis professeure au collège et j'adore enseigner, j'adore mes élèves, mais ils peuvent être fatigants des fois. Oui, je comprends. Et toi, tu bosses où? Boss? Boss? Oh, bosser. I know that's slang for, well, to work. And he's asking me where I work, so kind of what structure or in which company. Basically, he's asking me what I'm doing as a job. Pretty much what I asked, but in another way. Je travaille pour un logiciel au service marketing. J'aime beaucoup, c'est très créatif. Ah, ça a l'air sympa ça. Et sinon, en dehors du travail, tu fais quoi? T'as des hobbies? Oh, I love it when they use English words in French. It makes it so much easier. Though I know that hobbies could be loisirs if needed. J'adore faire de la randonnée ou bien de l'escalade. Je suis très sportive. I wish my hobbies were not so complicated to learn in French. Maybe I should pick an easy one. Ah, mais j'adore la rando aussi. Tu voudrais en faire une avec moi un jour? I know that rando is actually short for randonnée, so the word that I've used myself. And they're using conditional, which is nice because they're not assuming that I want to go with them, they're asking me, would I like that? And yeah, I think I would. Bien sûr, j'ai hâte. Tu sais, je passe vraiment une super soirée. Ça te dirait d'aller faire un tour après? Mission accomplished! So they're asking me if I want to go on a walk and continue the conversation after. So I think my French is better than I thought. And if you want to learn more about flirting in French, maybe, you know, giving compliments or having smooth conversation starters and even cultural insights, well, you will love my upcoming masterclass. And apparently you're coming too. Yeah. And if you really want to impress and connect with your French date, it's good to share cultural references. So I advise you watch this video next. Et à la semaine prochaine. Salut.